There are a lot of simple tricks that you can do with your iPhone to save time. I bet you don't know most of them, so let's go through each one of them one by one. Let's say you're in Google and you search for iPhone. When you go to images, you can touch and hold one image, move it around, and then start tapping on other images that you want to choose, save or send to someone. You can then even drop them into a conversation on WhatsApp. This works on any website, so you could be on Pinterest and pick up wallpapers to drop into Gmail, notes or other conversation. If you have a few photos you want to remove the background from, you can multi-select them and remove backgrounds all at once. Just save them to a specific folder, go back into files, select all of them and tap remove background. The phone will remove the backgrounds from all of them at once. If you like to use your phone at night in bed but is still too bright even at the lowest brightness level, there is a workaround. Go into settings, scroll down to accessibility, then to display and text size and look for reduce white point. It's almost like a filter on top of your screen and it can go really dim. When you're listening to music and want to take a video, you might have noticed that the music stops as soon as you shift to video mode. But there's a way to fix this. While in photo mode, just drag shutter button to the right side and the music won't stop. On an iPhone, you can change the format of your photos to PNG or JPEG in one go. Just select your photos and save them as files to a specific folder. Then let's go into files and select all of the images. Go into the menu and tap convert images and choose whether you want them to be in JPEG or PNG. Did you know that if you swipe to the left with 3 fingers, it will do an undo action for anything? So if you accidentally delete something, just swipe left to get it back. Let's say I delete some photos. If I swipe left, it will undo it. Depending on the size of your phone, typing with just one hand can be difficult. But if you're using the Apple keyboard, long press on the globe icon to switch to a left side keyboard. This is a very useful, especially if you have a Pro Max series. Alternately, you can tap on the mic icon to use voice typing. When you're in Safari and trying to visit a link, you don't have to type out the whole thing and read .com or .org. Now if you just long press on the period button, and it will give you popular domain options to choose from. Just select one of them and it will insert that domain. So if you found this helpful, please show your support for the channel. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification icon to mark all. Thanks for watching.